Hello, my name is Manish. I am a coding teacher in Bright Champs. I am here to answer a JavaScript question that what do we mean by hoisting in JavaScript? So hoisting is a mechanism that supports by the JavaScript in which we can use functions or variables without it before its declaration. So when we declare a variable or when we declare a function, that declaration is come at the top of their execution and we can use them without their and before their declaration. And a special mechanism, what do we mean by that is, if I declare a variable like this, that variable a equals to 10, and so this is a basic initialization of a variable where I am declaring a variable a and I am assigning a value 10. If I want to use this variable, so I'm using this variable before its declaration. We can see that variable is declared in the line of 7 and I'm using it at line number 6. If I want to print this variable, it's saying that undefined. It means that that declaration is hoisted at the top of their execution. So there is where we are executing the statement, that is we want to print the statement. But here before that there is no variable a that is defined. But if I use this without a keyword, in that case it will give us a reference error that a is not defined, means a is not there. But if I use it like this, it means that they're saying that they know that there's a variable a but its value is not initialized. It means that variable initial declaration is going to the top of their scope but the initialization is not. But this is not work with let and const keyword. Let and const keyword are not hoisted. They can again tell us that they can give us the error that they have to. So they are given us an error that cannot access a before initialization. So we cannot access the variable if it's not initialized in the let and const keyword. But like same case, it's done with a function declaration. We can say that I have called a function greeting before its declaration. So this is known as the function declaration, where I have just type a one-line function that is hello world. And if I want to print this statement, it will give me an error. It will print it without like that. If I just comment these lines, then in that case we can see that hello world is printed. It means that before its declaration, if I call that function will be printed, because this function declaration will always go to the top of their scope and we can use it before its declaration. So this is known as hoisting in JavaScript and we can use it. And the different functions that are not hoisted, like arrow functions are not hoisted, and keywords with let and const are also not hoisted. Hoisting is useful when you want to use any statement, or if you want to use any variable before its declaration or function before declaration. In that case, hoisting is very important. Thank you.